Hello guys, so this is how you can edit your photos in less than 2 minutes if you're short on time. So this is what you do. Select on the photo that you want to edit, go on to image, select auto tune, select auto contrast, and select auto color. So you can see, yeah, it has already changed the colors. So on the eye whitening and teeth whitening, select on your action. Um, yeah, go direct to your character. Let's first zoom in a little bit. Yeah, start applying it well, applying it well, just like that. Yeah. As you can see, I've gone off track, but yeah, I'm trying to save your time, so that's why I'm in a hurry. Yeah, but that's how you do it. That's how you do it. You save on time. Yeah, and you gain money on what you do. So that's how you do it as quick as possible. As we press Control Z to go back to the way the photo was, you can see the way it was and the way it had transformed. Anyways, if it has helped you, please subscribe for more. Yeah.